an emerging anchor, public speaker, content creator, author and storyteller. National Champion of Public Speaking 2021, finalist of World Cavalier Championship of 2022, Table Topic Champion 2022, and District Champion in Extrovert Speech Competition 2022 from CBSE School Kalotsav, Keynote Speaker of PMI Asia Region Conference 2022, Speaker 2022 Champion organized by JCI, that is recently updated, and State Champion in Art of Storytelling 2019, Rashtrapati holder and finalist of National Outstanding Scout Award, Bharat Scouts and Guides. In his young age, he has honored many awards. I am Vichar. The presence of you is indeed privilege on this moment. Thank you. Also, recently he has published Kutti Detective and a Mystery of Ivory Turn. It is available online in the Kindle app.
We can feel more connected. I don't want that gap. Great. So thank you so much for that wonderful introduction and warm welcome. Hello everyone. Hello. Respected Toastmasters, distinguished guests on and off the dais, teachers, parents, and all my dear fellow Gavaliers. A very good morning to all of you. First of all, I would like to express my sincere thanks to Peaceful, especially Shilpa ma'am, for having me here and inviting me in this special occasion of the 75th milestone meeting and the chartering of the new Gavel Club. Yes, come on, give a big round of applause. That's a huge achievement. Great. Let me begin by sharing a story because I really love telling stories. That's kind of my style. Once, a speaker stepped onto this message of the story. I'm going to hang you up on the story and give you a small glimpse of my Toastmaster journey. My journey began on 2019 when COVID struck the world, lockdown was announced, the whole world was going bizarre, and here I was sitting at home doing absolutely nothing, fully bored. So one day my mom came across a poster on Facebook. And it was something regarding this club called Toastmasters. My mom said, Kichu, why don't you just join the meeting? It's something regarding speaking, just try it. And I joined because I had nothing else to do. Then, oh my. I couldn't figure out what was happening. I was totally confused. What? Grammarian? Accountant? Table topic speeches, evaluations, oh my God. But I will say one thing. I really enjoyed that meeting amidst all of those confusions. It was a great platform to engage with aspiring speakers and leaders. I joined another meeting with curiosity. Then I just couldn't stop. I still remember that during that period, I joined 3 to 4 meetings a day. My first Toastmaster meeting was at Calicut Toastmasters Club. And I started to attend lots of Toastmasters meetings in and outside India, attending and winning lots of table topics. Because table topics was my favorite segment. That's the only segment where guests can participate in a normal Toastmaster meeting. Finally, I came across Gavel's Club. I took membership at Gavel's Club of Kochi, which is my home club, and I'm about to be the president of the club next month. Let me ask all of you a question. How many of you sitting in front of me have gone through some kind of struggles in your life? Have faced challenges in your life? If yes, please raise your hand if you do. Have gone through some kind of difficulty in your life? Wow, excellent. Almost everyone. You may lower your hands. Thank you. The first big announcement of Gavel's Club was released. World Cavalier Championship of Public Speaking. Just 2 weeks after I joined Gavel Club. I was excited. I enrolled for the contest. We prepared a speech. I practiced it day and night and won the club contest. I got promoted to the second round. I kept on practicing my speech. I rehearsed it in front of my wall, in front of the camera, and while on the session, in front of the camera, live or live, I presented an amazing speech. I got lots of chats soon after delivering my speech, appreciating it. It was time to announce the results. Third place goes to Cavalier. Second place goes to Cavalier. First place goes to Cavalier. Fortunately, all three could move on to the finals. The first national champion announced, the chief judge, goes to Cavalier Aham Pitcher. Wow. That was a magnificent feeling. I felt like reaching at the tip of the mountain just then and there. My dear Cavaliers, if I had not stood up from that loss, you would not have been seeing me here today. If I had not given up, I would not have reached in this position speaking to you today. Even though I lost at that time, my value didn't decrease. It only increased. Ladies and gentlemen, we are all like this 50 rupee note. No matter what happens to us, we will never ever lose our value. The only difference is, we don't remain as a 50 rupee note. We have the opportunity to increase our value. So the message of the story which I said in the beginning is that many times in life, you will have to go through difficult situations. Life may grind you into the dirt. Life may crumble you up. You might make bad decisions or deal with poor circumstances. But no matter what happened to you or what will happen, you will never ever lose your value. You are special and unique in your own way. Don't ever forget it. Thank you, Cavaliers, for patiently listening to me. Thank you so much. Once again, big thanks to B School for giving me this amazing opportunity and for providing all of you such a great platform to Cavaliers Club already. That's absolutely amazing. They have understood that communication and leadership skills are the fundamental skills of this era which you need to master. I've also seen lots of programs hosted by P School, which is just amazing. You're all feeling lucky to be here, aren't you? That's great. So, just by ending it up, I'd also like to say a few more things. If you want to watch any of my performances or live sessions or my winning speeches, you can find them on my YouTube channel at Kichu Let's English. Kichu Let's English. This is a small paid promotion. So you can find them on my YouTube channel. And as Shilpa ma'am already addressed at the beginning, I have published my first book. I am now an author. I published it last week. It's titled Kuti Detective and the Mystery of Ivory Turn, Case Number 11. It's a detective fiction. You can find it on Amazon, Flipkart, and the Kindle version is also available as ebook. I've already sent all the links to Shilpa ma'am, so you can get there. So good luck to everyone. May you have the best and make use of the best by utilizing the platforms provided by your school. Thank you once again. Back to you.
Now, I'd like to thank Iham Bitcher for his wonderful and magnanimous speech, which he has rendered and made us spellbound, really. And his words were highly motivating. Thank you, Iham, for your wonderful presence.
Hope you enjoyed watching this session. I would really like to sincerely thank B School, especially Shilpa ma'am, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. I truly had a fantastic time talking with the students there. Thank you so much for the impeccable hospitality and for arranging a scrumptious breakfast. I was really amazed to see different programs hosted by the school on their social media pages. The campus was also a breathtaking one. Well, that's it for today. And don't forget to purchase my first book. Link is available in the description and in the comments too. Bye bye for now.